Hey guys, today I will open the lock for you. When you open, here have the download the app. Okay, and some later for some sense for the customer. Okay, and also have one T-shirt and one of the lock in here. So this is lock T-shirt and then the menu and then download. And wait, let me check the T-shirt. Oh, the T-shirt is was sharing smart key AE key by WE.LOCK. AE key is the app application. WE.LOCK is the product. Here is the product. Open. I bring the tools to open it. So is the products. Okay, and product menu. Here is product menu. Here is the later. Here also some menu in different language. It's very nice for here. Is the sticker for the top younger. This top old. This is CE. Top handsome. Beautiful. The youngest is like the boy. Okay, and here is the products. As you can password to open, and also the RFID card. 3 RFID card to open it, and then also the mobile phone to open it.